with meteorologist Patrick Evans.
View from the Classic Club, and folks are out and underway in their golf round. There were carts sitting there a minute ago. This is a good idea. Get it done early, whatever you're doing outside, unless you're going to be someplace nice and cool like the shallow end of a swimming pool. We are looking at an excessive heat warning through the remainder of today until 8 o'clock tonight. We've got a fire weather warning, red flag warning up across much of Southern California, and the fire weather is the danger is going to increase going into the rest of the week. We're looking at mostly sunny conditions. Skies are nice and clear, but we're going to start to see a little marine layer developing. A weak coastal eddy, actually not so weak, is going to begin to develop, and it's going to push our temperatures down significantly over the next couple of days. But today, we're still going to be in record territory. 91 right now in Palm Springs. We're already up to 100 in Desert Hot Springs, in the upper 80s in Indio. The cool spot is Mecca, down at 81 degrees. Now, the winds, fairly light at the moment. We're seeing some breezier conditions around Yucca Valley and Desert Hot Springs. These winds are going to start to change direction. We're going to see more of an offshore flow, really starting tomorrow, and that's going to push dew points down into likely the 20s, even maybe the single digits. It's going to be very dry. This morning's not too dry out there. We're still looking at dew points in the 40s. I think today's going to feel all right, despite those dramatically high temperatures. At least we're not contending with a lot of humidity. Now watch what happens as we move from Monday into Tuesday. See the cloud cover beginning to develop here? That's that coastal eddy. It's a weak area of low pressure along the surface of the Pacific, and it's going to push some cooler air in to Southern California. And that's going to change our weather scenario pretty dramatically. Today, we'll be at 116 by 2 o'clock, topping out around 118, maybe 120. But tomorrow, only 106 degrees, a really dramatic turnaround. Big change coming, and it will stay nice and dry. Your Comfort Air 7-day forecast has much cooler numbers in the upper 90s. That is, the models are saying we're going to get down to as cool as like 95, 96. I think we're still going to be a little bit above that number, but we will hopefully break that triple-digit barrier for at least a day. Then for the end of the week, numbers will come back up. We're going to be around our seasonal average, fairly dry conditions, but nothing like the record-setting heat we've been experiencing. So be cautious, stay safe, stay indoors where you can, and stay hydrated, most important thing. Check on your neighbors, make sure your pets are okay too.
So the hero here really is Eddie. We love Eddie right now. Coastal
hero.
Eddie is the hero we need.